Hello everyone. So today I'm going to fix few of the issues I had with my swimming system. So as you can see now, when the character stop swimming, when I stop giving the movement input, characters start to stay idle in the water, like doing this treading water animation. And if I try to move, so as you can see now the character's body is turning to orient it to the direction that I am trying to swim. See, you can see clearly from the spine of the character it's trying to turn. So and also there is a reduced rotation rate for the character. So unlike when we are on the ground, once I just look at this direction, character don't turn quickly because it is in the water. It doesn't look very realistic. Now here if I press while I look in this way, if I try to move to the left, character is quickly turning. But when the character is on the ground, let me look at this way, and if I press swimming button that way, you can see character is not quickly turning. It takes some time. So in that time, character also bend its spine to show the swimming into that direction. So for that I have used this 2D blend space for the swimming like this. See, okay, so let's see how to do these things in this episode. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. So in this swimming system I have worked on, we have few issues. So for example, when I start swimming, the swimming is like that, but when my character stays idle on the water, this is the way it stays. So basically the character should move down when this happens. So right, let's fix those issues today. Now let me open the swimming animation Blendspace like it is this way. Let me go to the front view. So now when the character is swimming, it is fully horizontal like this. So the vertical level, the water level is in the head level, should be in the head level of this animation. But when I stay idle on the water, the head level should be same as this swimming. So that means head should move down, maybe like into this level. So what can I do is, let's go here, and actually I still have the imported reference, trading water. So I can add a import translation. Let's try adding -30 and re-import. Not enough. -60 and re-import. Right, now let's go here and see if the head stays in the same level. Yeah, it does. Cool. Now let's test and see how it looks. Right, now let me stop swimming So yeah, now it's correct. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is, as you can see, the character turns quickly. That's not very realistic, so we need to reduce that speed. For that, let me open my character and moment component for swimming. Do I have a turn rate? No, there is no separate turn rate for swimming, so I will have to change this rotation rate, I think. So the original value here is 520, just in case I forget. And when we start swimming, what if I set rotation rate to like 20? And let's test it. Oh, now the problem is, if I reduce the turn rate, you can see when I try to swim sideways, character is turning slowly, but it's moving in that way. So that's actually not what I want to happen. So maybe we need something like 60 here. I need to test it also. Right, with 60 it looks kind of okay, but still not good enough. So it would look way better if I had some bending, like when I try to swim to a different direction, if the character bends a little bit to that side. So let's go to this animation and let's duplicate this swimming. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this animation. Let's turn this character from spine to 20, spine to another 10, spine 3, another 10. Right, let's add a keyframe and apply. Okay, similarly I'll duplicate the swimming and swimming left, minus 20, another 10, another 10. Apply. So it's like this. This is swimming left and this is swimming right. Okay. Now actually I need now a 2D blend space. BSP 𝐒𝐮𝐻 2D. Right, now in the middle I can use the thread invert animation, and then I need to set the horizontal and vertical axis. Let's check the names. Speed, oh we don't have, okay. Horizontal speed 0 to 300. Right, let's use the same. I'll call it FWD for forward, and this one side 0 to 300. Similarly here 0 to, let's use 300, sorry not 0, minus 300 to 300, because we should be able to swim to the left and swim to the right. And swimming forward is this, oh wait, thread invert should be here, and swimming left here, sorry this is swimming right. Let's put it somewhere over here. And another one here. So I guess it would look better. Similarly for this as well. Alright, now let me open the animation blueprint. Where is swimming? Right here. Now instead of BSP 𝐒𝐮𝐻, I'm going to use BSP 𝐒𝐮𝐻 2D. But we need to get now speed in two ways. We can't just rely on the speed variable now, because it only get the total velocity as a number, the magnitude of total velocity. So we need the side speed and the, let me change this, speed, side velocity and forward velocity. And how to get it? Well, it's not that hard. Let me collapse this. Set speed values. Now this is the total speed. Let me move this up. So how do we calculate the forward speed? We have access to the phone and get for the actor. How to get the forward? Alright, we can access it this way, so we can use the same reference here, so we don't need this input. And also we need get right vector as well, so we can do a dot product between the forward vector and the velocity. This returns the forward component of the speed. So actually we need to promote these two variables, forward and side. I think it's better if we name this like forward speed and side speed. This returns the forward speed, and a dot product between velocity and the right vector gives us the side speed. Right, now shall we test? Oh wait, this is wrong. What's happening? Sorry, here right, actually this is the problem. The horizontal axis is actually the side axis, and the vertical axis is the forward axis. That's the issue. So that's why it was. Now these should be interchanged. Alright, let's test. Right, now you see when I try to move to the side, you can see the character is actually trying to turn. Yeah, it looks much better, but I think we should increase the swimming speed. What's the speed we used here? It's 3. Yeah, better to use the same rate scale for all the animations. Because otherwise it feels very slow. Right, Now here is the result. So when I try to swim that way, you can see character is actually turning from its body. So it's feels much responsive now. Okay, and actually when we get back on the ground, we need to reset the rotation rate. Back to the original value, which is 540. Right, now when the character is swimming, the rotation rate is very low compared to the ground. Now its rotation is fast. Okay, so with that I think we can stop this episode. Now character nicely wait, why is it still trying to swim? Let's go to the debug mode and see the values. Oh, actually 0.1. So for 0.1, why does it keep swimming? Sorry, we still have another mistake. The mistake is side speed should vary from -300 to +300 and forward speed should vary from 0 to 300. That's the issue. And let's test finally. Right, now I'm swimming, and when I stop swimming you can see character starts to stay idle on the water like this. And if I try to swim, you can see character is actually swimming with turning its body to the direction it's trying to move with a slower rotation rate. And if I stop swimming, character is slowly returning to a vertical position, keeping its body vertically and treading water. Right, maybe we should speed up this treading water animation also a little bit. .5. Yeah, now the character feels more active. Okay, alright. And with that I think we can stop this episode for today. So as always, updated project files will be available for the download through Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. If you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. So see you in another episode. Goodbye.